Hello, so today I'm going to be filming a video that is one of my sort of favourite things to watch on YouTube actually. I don't really know how to describe it. Basically, I think I've got 10 different items of clothing, so a few bits of like bottom wear and top wear and coats / jackets. So I'm basically going to mix them up and sort of show you different ways to wear certain things, but more than once, if that makes sense. So like a t-shirt, how you can wear it with jeans, trousers, you hopefully get the gist. What I thought I would do first is sort of show you all the items separately, so it's not like a haul or anything. These are items that I've just picked up from my wardrobe, and they're like my favourite piece of clothing, I guess you could say at the moment, or it seems to be what I'm wearing mostly. But yeah, I'm just going to get straight into it and show you all the items quickly first before I try them all on and pair them all with each other. So I'm going to start with tops first, and the first one is this sort of print t-shirt, or is that what you would call it? I don't actually know. This is from Zara. This is relatively new, so this is maybe something that is still in shops, and this one's got a little pug on, because you know I couldn't not get this because obviously we have Wilbur. So yeah, this is the first item. So the second top is just this black baggy cropped top, and it's got a little pocket here as well. This is also from Zara because Zara recently have just been killing it. Okay, so the next thing is also another little black top, but obviously this one is quite different because it is off the shoulder and it is also quite cropped. Obviously this is something that you can wear really casually in the day when it is a bit nicer during the spring, or even with a jacket on top, to be honest. But also something that you can make more evening-y because you've got your shoulders out. It's a bit more elegant. This is just from Topshop. I've had this quite a long time, to be honest. So, okay, so the last top is actually a jumper. This is the only jumper that I've included in this video, just because I'm trying to avoid wearing jumpers at the moment. It's a really nice neutral colour. This is from Zara as well. I got it a little while back in the sale for $9.99, which I think is really good. Okay, so moving on to some bottoms now. I've included obviously a pair of jeans because, I mean, jeans are just a staple, just doing the button up so you can sort of see what they look like more. These are a pair of mum jeans from Topshop, quite a light, a mid-wash denim, I guess you would call this. They're coming up a little bit lighter on camera. This is the only pair of jeans that I have included, just because otherwise I'll be including black mum jeans, black skinny jeans, just because they're obviously such staples as well. But I've just stuck to the blue mum jeans just because obviously these are more of a summer colour than black. Not that I don't wear black, of course, during this time, but I just thought I'd stick to the one. And then I have another pair of bottoms, which are a pair of black and white striped trousers. These are from Forever 21, and just a staple for me. You can't go wrong really with a pair of black and white trousers. I mean, can't go wrong with black and white, clearly, that I'm wearing a black and white t-shirt dress right now. Okay, and then the final bottom item is actually a skirt. Now, this is a very summery skirt, but I really wanted to put a skirt in this video because I feel like skirts are quite easy to make appropriate for when it's a bit cold. You can just wear it with tights. But again, like I said, we obviously do get some quite hot days here in the spring in the UK. This is from Topshop, just this white denim skirt with black polka dots on, which I just think is so cute. And it's so nice, and I can't actually wait to be wearing it more now that it is getting slightly warmer. It's just got this raw hem, which I think is quite nice, just makes it a little bit more, I don't know, just cool, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to start with the actual proper coat, or it's something that I would call a proper coat. It is just this fluffy, is it like teddy bear coat? I got this from Urban Outfitters probably like 2 to 3 years ago now, I think. But my god, if I see my wear out of this, it has recently gone in the wash, so it's feeling a lot softer now. Okay, so the next is a jacket, which is definitely more appropriate for the spring when it's slightly warmer, but again, a bit too cold to go sleeveless. A bit too cold to just wear sort of a t-shirt on its own. This is from Zara. It's just this like corduroy material. I don't know if that's actually right, but yeah, it's this really lovely sort of, is it dusky pink? I'm really bad with describing stuff. But yeah, really nice jacket, not cropped or anything, it's just sort of normal length on me, but it's just nice to add a bit of colour into an outfit, and I think this is a really nice colour for spring as well. Okay, so the final item that I have to show you before I sort of try everything on is a black leather jacket. Now, I just don't think you can go wrong with having one of these in your wardrobe. This one, again, is from Zara. As you can tell, there's quite a lot of things from Zara in this video. But it's really nice. It's got like this belt at the bottom, which is just a nice bit of extra detail. Not that I've ever worn the belt done up, but it just, I don't know, it just sort of makes the jacket look nicer. These are perfect, I think, for this time of year because you can wear them with just a t-shirt underneath, but at the same time you can layer them if it is cooler. And they just go so much. I mean, how can you go wrong with a black leather jacket? Okay, so this is the first outfit that I have put together. Sorry that my head is getting slightly cut off. I do actually have sunglasses on too, just because obviously the sun comes out a lot more during the spring, so I love wearing these as a hair accessory. We'll come a bit closer in a minute, but I just wanted to show you the outfit as a whole. For when you do need to wear a coat, I've just paired it with the Urban Outfitters teddy bear coat. Again, just because I feel like the colour palette goes quite nicely together with the white and the sort of what would you even, I don't even know what colour you'd call this, creamy brown, would you say? I think it looks nice with blue denim. Okay, so I'm just showing you the outfit like this. I have no idea how I'm going to insert this into the actual video, but I just wanted you to be able to sort of see it a little bit better in a full length way. Okay, so the next outfit is still the puck top from Zara, but I've just paired it with these black and white pinstriped trousers. Are they even pinstriped? I'm not actually sure what that means. And then I've also paired it with my black and white Vans. The camera is so far away, I so hope that you can hear and see the outfit. And here the outfit is in proper full length. Okay, and then again for a slightly different style, perhaps when it's a bit cooler, I have just popped my leather jacket on with this outfit, and I've also switched up the shoes to some black espadrilles from Primark. Now I know I'm kind of contradicting myself, I'm wearing more of a summery shoe and obviously a wintry jacket, but I just thought realistically my feet actually don't get that cold. I mean, when it's cooler now in the springtime, it's not cold, so I've tried to keep it a little bit more spring summery with the espadrilles, but obviously I've warmed it up with the leather jacket. Obviously in its full glory. Let's just switch the hair. Okay, so here is the next outfit. Obviously I have kept the pinstriped trousers on and have just paired them with the jumper from Zara. This is again a really casual sort of slouchy look, but I have tried to make it a little bit better by pairing it with a belt. Now I haven't put the belt on properly, which is why this is flapping around, but you get the gist. Okay, so this is obviously the full length of the outfit. This is something I've worn like loads recently. It's just so nice and easy to put together. Then also when it is still really chilly, because obviously you've got the jumper and the jacket as a long sleeved, I've just paired these two together again, keeping the summery shoes on, just showing a little bit more skin still even though it is colder. Okay, so sticking with the jumper still, I've just popped it on with the mum jeans. I think these are both really lovely colours for the spring. I'll just stand right back while I talk to you so you can kind of see my face. And again, I've just popped on my white Nike trainers with this, but again it would look nice with the espadrilles as well. And then here is the proper full length. This is probably one of my favourites at the moment to be wearing. Okay, so this is the next outfit. This is an outfit that I would probably more wear when I'm going maybe out for dinner, or again maybe if it's like a really warm day. I have paired it with some little black wedges, but I've just popped on the Primark belt that I featured earlier, with the Topshop black off the shoulder top. Just excuse my nude bra strap, I can't be bothered to take them off. And then obviously show you it lengthways. I feel like such an Instagram queen right now with the leather jacket over the shoulders. But obviously this is just the perfect kind of jacket to wear with an outfit like this because it is still cooler. Just to keep you warm. Obviously you can wear it over your shoulders like this, but I would probably just put it on. But I just think it looks quite cool styled like that, so I do understand why people wear them like that. Here's the little better view. So to casual the off the shoulder top down a little bit, I've just popped on this jacket from Zara. I think the pink adds a little bit of colour, you know, and then I've just popped it on with my black and white Vans again to make it quite nice and casual. And then, I keep saying and then, so this is it properly. Okay, so then to have it dressy a slightly different way, this black top, I popped it on with the black and white trousers. I just think this makes it look quite smart because you've got something other than jeans on, and then obviously the off the shoulder. And then I have popped those black loafers on from Primark. Are they called loafers? Black espadrille type shoes. And then this is what this looks like. With the black leather jacket just drapes over the shoulders. Okay, so this is obviously a very summery outfit, but I just couldn't not include it, even though this is for spring. I think this is so lovely. This could be worn in the day, in the summer, or in the evening. And I have just paired it with some brown wedges, but obviously you could wear black, but I just put brown on because they go quite nice with the white. But obviously black will tie this black top in and the black polka dots. Here is the full look for this one. Okay, so I've now just popped on the black Zara crop top with my white trainers. Again, this is still super summery. Here it is in full length. So if you did want to make it a little bit warmer, if it was warm enough to have your legs out, you could just pop a little jacket on. Here's like the full length version. Okay, so I have now popped on the Zara jumper with the skirt. Again, this is perfect if it is quite warm enough to get your legs out, or you don't really feel the cold in your legs as much. I've kept the white trainers on just to keep it nice and neutral. I've got some sunnies on my head just to make it a little bit more summery. And here it is in its full length. Okay, so I've gone back to the black top with the white skirt, but this time I've popped some tights on and my Doc Martens. I don't really know how well you can see. I do quite like this. I feel like it's quite, I don't know, I'm not really sure if it's 100% that my style, but I quite like it. I've actually taken the Docs off now because they were dropping mud on my bedroom floor, which I didn't realise. But yeah, I do actually prefer this with the leather jacket. Okay, so this is the final outfit, taking it right back to the casual vibes. Just the Topshop jeans on. I've got the Primark sort of loafer espadrille things, and then the black Zara crop. Oh, and the Primark belt. I can't remember if I said that. Here it is in its lovely glory. Would look nice with some black sunglasses. Okay, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that I've come up with some kind of title for it. But yeah, like I said in the intro, these type of videos are my favourites to actually watch on YouTube. I love anything to do with outfit styling, fashion and stuff like that. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I definitely want to do sort of more of these, maybe one for the summer, with obviously different items of clothing. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.